Okay, as you can see, it's winter, and I am returning to the boat to see how it looks so far. Right now, it's March 11th. So see how it's fared winter so far. This is actually a fresh snow. This fell like overnight. Well, it looks okay here. Yeah. Oh, take a look back here. All right. Oh, I wonder if I can get that out. Whoa. Oh man, I wonder. I could probably dump it. Well, I can lift that ice out of there. Just kind of brush off all the snow. Maybe I can lift up the front end and kind of dump some of that water out of there too. Yeah, I think I'll be doing that. I can find a place to set up this camera and watch me do that. Okay, I just got the camera just sitting there on the ground on the little tripod I have. That's the best I can do right now. But anyways, let's get this ice out of there. Oh man. Man, that's cold. Hope that's aimed all right. I'll work with it. Man, get big chunks out of there. Oh, it's cold, man, my fingers. Whew. Yeah, I'm just try dumping out the rip. As much as I can, anyways. Yeah, there's no way I can tip it up far enough to get it all. I have to run back to the garage, maybe get something to scoop it out. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So, yeah, I'm gonna get something to scoop it out. Got a bucket. Got my gloves too. I'm gonna brush this off. Got the water out of there. Now I'll put my gloves on and brush the snow off. Oh, hit the tail light. Ah, it hurt. Oh man. Oh, that hurt. it comes off pretty easy. Watch out for that again. Okay. Okay, I'll come take a look at this. All right, that's how it looks like now. Got all that water out of there. So there we go. Okay. All right. So hopefully, for the rest of the winter, we probably won't get much snow. I don't think it'll get piled on there again now. I think I might have a sponge on that lens. Hang on here, we gotta wipe that off. Okay, there we go. But anyway, is that how it is now? What was I going to say? Oh yeah, hopefully you won't get any more snow. I don't think we'll get much the rest of this winter now. And I'll just have less to brush off later in the spring. So anyways, hopefully this summer I'll be able to get out on the water and actually do some fishing. So anyways, here's that an update on the situation with the boat. And looks like the tires are doing good too. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this the next video will be warmer weather, spring, summer, or something. Maybe we'll be taking it on the boat, or at least the next video it'll be coming out to the boat to see how it fared from now until then. So, okay, all right, I kind of got weird there. All right, thanks for watching, and talk to you later.